Folks have a hard time thinking about Florida gardening in the context of New Jersey or the Midwest, and because it's semi-tropical, it's different. But stuff thrives here, and you can come to Florida House to learn of we just did a biodiversity study here. There's over 100 varieties of plant growing here, and a big chunk of them are edible. So stuff like this longevity spinach is really pretty weedy, and yet it's absolutely delicious, grows in hot weather, and you know, who says you can't grow spinach in Florida in the summer? It's pretty easy stuff. You feel daunted by growing in Florida, or the too many bugs or this or that, make a little wire ring. Put your kitchen waste in there, and you'll see your tomatoes will sprout on the edge, and all of a sudden you'll have stuff growing on the outside of your little compost ring. That's just the seeds from the stuff you threw out. This is not rocket science, folks. You can do this at home, and you can come to Florida House and learn how to do it more effectively and grow more stuff. You can have papayas and fruit trees and all kinds of stuff, and grow your kitchen garden underneath.